Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and today I'm going to share with you a very sultry Valentine's Day makeup look. So let's get started. So I'm going to actually use the box of crayons. And I decided that I wanted to do something very soft and really feminine. So I'm going to use the color magenta, and I'll also be using the color pink. So first I'm going to go in with the color magenta. And in case you're wondering, I actually did my foundation and contouring and highlighting off camera. Give me a second, guys. Okay. Oh, look at that beautiful pigmentation, y'all. Oh. As you can see, I'm bringing it down and across with the heaviest concentration of color right in the crease. And I'm going to repeat that on the opposite side. Now I'm going to go in with the color pink. I'm actually going to put it on top. Bangs in the way. Excuse me. Now I'm going to use my black Radiance loose pigment powder, and this is a gold color, but I kind of just want to put it like right underneath my eyes, which I will say be a little careful with this when you are using it because it is a loose pigment. And then if you're like me and you wear contacts, be really careful not to get it into your eyes because that's not fun. Okay, and I'm actually going to bring my mirror a little closer to my face. And instead of swiping, I'm going to pat. That way you get less pigment everywhere. Next, I'm going to line my eyes or my top lashes. Now I'm going to put on my lashes, and these are the Kiss lashes. They're in the color, well, not color. They're the name is Brassiere, and I picked these up from my local Walgreens. I not too long ago also wore another pair of Kiss lashes. They are called Bustier. But the lashes that I'm putting on are Brassiere. And this is what they look like. These are, on the package it says 3D volume. So I'm going to pick it up so you can, I don't know if you'll be able to see on camera. But I can see and I can tell where it's definitely a 3D effect to it. So, and if these are anything like the last ones that I tried from Kiss, I know I'm going to absolutely love them. So yeah. I'm telling you, lashes just do a whole, take your makeup look to a whole nother level. Like, I was looking real bald-eyed over here for a second. But now I look all sultry and glamorous. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't mind me. I'm just being silly. But next, I'm going to actually use my Milani baked bronzer. I really like their baked bronzers. And if you've watched any number of my videos, you already know that I'm a big fan of Milani Cosmetics. Even though they're drugstore cosmetics, it is still a very good quality makeup. Because not all makeup is created equal. Have you ever tried to put on a Dollar Tree or Dollar Store blush and you were like, yikes? So yeah, this is one of those brands that if you are just getting into makeup, or you're just not really trying to spend a whole lot on makeup, because I know for some people, you know, makeup's not your love like mine. You might be like, I don't know about spending all that money on a lipstick or a blush, but I love this one. Okay, and I use the black Radiance. This is Artisan Color Baked Bronzer, and it's in Flawless. So it's not really like a bronzer. To me, I'm using it more like a highlight. And next, I'm going to line my lips again with Milani. And this is in the color Hot Pink. Or Haute Pink. Wait. Haute Couture. And I know my lips look a little shiny. This is not lip gloss. This is chapstick. Because my lips were like a little dry. And then I'm using my matte Milani lipstick in the color Matte Delicate. And this is what it looks like. I haven't used it yet, but so far I can see it's going to be a pretty good match even for the eyeshadow I've already put on. Because I have the chapstick on underneath, it's not quite as a matte look, but I'm still loving the color. And that is actually going to finish our makeup tutorial. This is a very quick, soft, feminine Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope that you've enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. I'll make sure I link down below all of the products that I used in today's tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And you can also find me on social media, Instagram at Narissa Explains It All, and Facebook as well at Narissa Explains It All. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you again very soon. Bye.